claimexpenses.com is a simple, online expenses claim system. Which also reports carbon emissions from travel. Staff enter basic travel details with their claims. And we calculate the distance and carbon dioxide emissions automatically. You can easily track and manage outstanding claims. And export itemized spreadsheets of all your claims for analysis. Replace your existing paper or spreadsheet expenses forms in just a few minutes. Simpler expenses, lower carbon. Give it a try today.